Many nodes in Plasma have an ease option at the bottom. This option controls how the output is mapped. To explain ease, I'll be using this simple setup. It moves the orange cube from the bottom left square to the top right square. It does this by mapping a slider with the percentage mapper to the X frontal extender there and the Y frontal extender there. We're going to be keeping the X frontal extender on linear and changing the Y frontal extender to see how it affects it. First, let's try ease in sine. If we look at this graph, it should move slowly at first and then quicker as it reaches the end. And it does exactly that. Now going from ease in sine to ease in quad makes it a little more noticeable, and then going to cubic makes it even more noticeable. So we can skip straight to cubic, ease in cube. Now it should be very noticeable. As you can see, even though this extender here is getting a linear input, the output, which is this extender, is not linear, and this is the whole point of the ease. Now we can try ease out, and it should be the same, just on the other end. So when it's closer to the end, it'll move slower. So now let's try ease out. And go up to cubic. Now ease in and out just does it on both ends. So I'll go to ease in out sine. Now it should go slow, then quicker, and then slow. Once again, if you go to cubic, it'll be even more noticeable. Here's an example on why you'd want to change the ease. Let's say we had a lateral extender set up like that, and we wanted it to go back and forth. We could use a number tweener, just like this. Now this is fine, but it's changing direction really quick when it hits the edge, and it looks pretty unnatural. Now if we change the linear to ease in out sine, it should look a lot more natural.